Hey guys, what's up? We got a box break here for Hurricane72. He is going to get one of these 2012 Tier 1 baseball boxes right here. And hopefully we get him something nasty. We're due. I haven't had anything big pulled lately. So it'd be nice to see something monstrous pulled out here. Empty. To the front, we got Jeremy Hellickson dual jersey to 50, 17/50. Brandon Belt on the rise, I think that's what these are. Autograph number to 235. Brandon Belt, and you got I can't read that Asian feller off Seattle, rookie. Number to 250. Iwaka Kuna. Alright. Elevated ink. Alright, buddy, I appreciate it, man. I'll get these cards shipped out tomorrow for you, man. If you need anything else, just let me know. Thanks a lot. See ya.